Whoa, look at that. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, fireworks. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa. It just like in a window. Yeah. Well, new fireworks is here. Oh shit. Wow, New Year's coming. The fireworks. Oh okay. Oh shit. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. Wow. It's probably nothing. Yeah, it's probably nothing because the New Year is coming, so the fireworks will be here. So actually, New Year coming. Now is around 12 a.m. So what you need to do about that. So you have no chance to get. Look at this. Yeah, actually it's like actually the New Year is coming. So let's see this. This my bedroom, so I here to look at this. Look at this side. Look at this light. Look at this light. This is fireworks. So as you see about that. So, okay. There's some fireworks nearby. So I don't know which me can be. This new place. I don't think the fireworks are here. So because wait, I hear something. What the? Jesus, right there. You can't see because it's night mode. I can't even do that. But actually, wait, what the? Wait, what? I saw something. It's okay. Okay, I have no idea because fireworks is a bit the bomb. Wait, whoa, what the? I hear that a little bit. I don't know if fireworks already. So you know about it. Let me just see. New place because this is my home and bedroom. This common bedroom there. So wait, what? Wait, there's something right there. There's something right. Neighbors are opposite there. I don't know why. It's not my neighbor. It's just a stranger. Wait. Whoa! What the? Okay. So as you see, there's torchlight here. So I just want to let you see. This is you know. So just see and know time and so I don't think that the fireworks are here. So great job. So New Year is coming. So comment below. So which one you want to come. So secondly about that, YouTuber LW Lim is here. I heard the fireworks, so you don't have to. The fireworks are ready. New Year. So New Year's coming. So comment below what your New Year is good. So comment. I'll say your New Year is happy or sad or something like that. How you feel the New Year, because New Year is here in 2020. Yeah. So you don't know what have to think about that. So great job. Yeah. So you know about that. My bedroom. Everywhere in there. So you don't have to Wait. So I hope you guys. Wait. Whoa. I hear something. Hey guys, you hear that? I don't think the fireworks ready. Wait. You see that? Wow, what the? I heard already about the fireworks because I heard the fireworks when I sleepy. Then I heard the fireworks on New Year. Yeah, exactly. So nothing's impossible. Wait. Whoa. What the? What the hell, man? I was thinking about that. I don't know. It can be. So I don't think it's possible. That's impossible. No, I'm tired because of fireworks. Didn't let because of my. Wait, what? So fireworks here. So good job. Yeah. Fireworks keep me awake because I was sleepy. We know my time about that. So bye. Anyways, let's just do it. So as you see, the New Year's already end. Now it's already 1:30 p.m. So yeah. So as you see, the New Year is right there. So you know about that. It's very bright though. But actually, the New Year is right around last night. So I just awake about that because the fireworks is ready. So don't you know about fireworks? Because fireworks is really great. So you want to make a vlog videos? Actually, this was kind of bad. So you know about that. So happy New Year. Bye.